I'm Chung Win with Gotta Be Mobile, and today we're at the Polaroid booth taking a look at their new smart camera. Can you tell us a little bit about the new device you have launching?
Sure. So this is our new Polaroid SC1630 smart camera. It's the world's first Android camera with wireless data connection in terms of GSM Edge. So what we have is we have full access to the Android market. We have a color LCD screen, we have optical zoom, 3 times and 5 times digital zoom on a 16 megapixel camera.
So what are some of the benefits of having the Android operating system on the camera?
Well, with the Android operating system added to the camera for the first time, you receive such benefits as a wide array of applications to be able to edit your photos, increase the flexibility and use of your photos to send them elsewhere, and you also have a more direct way to take quality photographs, not necessarily cell phone photographs, and send them instantly, share them instantly, and help them instantly with the applications in the market.
So I guess this would be positioned as a camera first because of all the optics and the optical zoom that you have on the camera, which is not seen on a smart camera or a smartphone today, right?
Exactly, and the real benefit that a lot of people may not notice is the flash, a xenon flash, which gives a lot more of a consistent color quality to a photo when you're taking it, especially in lower light conditions. Not many smartphones have a xenon flash as of yet, except for this particular camera, which just took a picture of you today.
Can you go ahead and show us the camera interface and how to launch the camera?
Sure. So what I'll do is I'll turn the device off, and once I press the home screen and get out of the camera application, the lens will retract. And I'll just press the power button on top to turn it off for you. And you'll see it in its off or standby state. Now I'll press the power button, and we have an option here. We can either say quick to camera, or we can say go to my home screen. When you say quick to camera, you're just in the point to shoot mode, and if you'd like to focus on a particular object, you can point and it will focus on that area of the screen and take your picture once it realizes that it's in proper focus. You can also use this viewfinder to point the central spot here towards what you'd like to focus on and partially depress it, and it will refocus towards that object.
So how do we do the zoom, like the optical or digital zoom?
The zoom is up on top of the camera.
So it's a jog wheel right there?
Exactly. It's very easy push and pull back and forth to do the zoom.
So it's a 14 megapixel camera. It could record videos as well in 720p HD mode.
Yep. It can do videos in 720p, and you can also upload those to Facebook to anything one touch through the share button of Android.
So instant sharing with your social network, your family. You can even email it if you don't use Facebook or Twitter.
Right, and additionally you can check your email, take photos from elsewhere and use the editing software, and also it's a very pliable product.
So I'm assuming this has a memory card as well to augment the storage?
Yes, it will come with an 8 gigabyte memory card. You could expand it up to 32 gigabytes.
So 32 gigabytes. And then these are physical hardware buttons on the Android navigation buttons?
Yes, and we replaced the search button with a media button instead to reflect the device's use.
Right. How big is the screen and what's the resolution? Do you know that?
I don't think I know the resolution. I know it's a 2.7-inch screen.
2.7-inch. And then is there additional software to connect to your Mac or PC, or is it just plug and play?
I think it's plug and play. We're exploring a Polaroid one-stop software at this moment where you could put something on your PC and interact easily with the device.
Do you also know the launch date, availability, and pricing right now?
We have an MSRP of $299 for the camera device. It's supposed to be launching in April this year, and we're going to start in the United States and Canada and Mexico, and work with our other licensee partners to move from there.
So North America, April, $300. The Polaroid smart camera, SC1630. Thank you so much.
Thank you.